That's right. It's just a Zippo ladder. Take a look at it. All right, look inside of it.
Look inside.
Wow. See the reflection?
That's me.
2 hearts, 2 angels. I want you to look. You see the angel there?
Uh-huh.
I want you to watch. We're going to try to capture the reflection. Are you ready?
Shut up. Shut up. No, you did
Look.
not.
Watch. You see the other angel?
Uh-huh.
This guy. Oh, that's beautiful. This guy. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I like it.
Okay.
This guy, his middle name is Danger.
Take a look. They are now forever riding next to each other.
Did you see that? Oh my god, no, you can't